When did you realize small things matter? My husband and I had an arranged marriage. When I moved to the USA to be with him, we were practically strangers, learning about each other as we built our life together. One day, we were invited to a friend's child's birthday party. After greeting the hosts, he drifted off to chat with his friends, and I found myself at the unofficial ladies' table. Dressed in a sari and high heels, I sat there, politely nodding along to conversations I barely understood, while eyeing the delicious spread of Indian food. I told myself I'd get up in 10 or 15 minutes to grab a plate. Then, out of nowhere, my husband walked up and placed a plate of samosas and snacks in front of me. I hadn't asked, and he hadn't needed to, but he noticed. The ladies erupted into laughter and teasing. "Oh, look at that! One plate for us too, please," one joked. Another sighed. "Newlyweds. Wait until you've been married for 7 years. Our husbands don't even remember we're here." But here's the thing. 7 years later, he still does things like that, and his kindness has changed me too. Now when we go to a party, I'm the one bringing him a plate, because the moment we arrive, he gets hijacked by the kids and always ends up being the last to eat.